Hello, welcome to my channel, lovely people. Today we are making coconut milk from scratch. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please click the red button down below and hit the notification bell so anytime I upload you get notified. Welcome once again. This is your girl Mariam. Let's get started. I'll be using 4 mature coconut fruits. Coconut juice is very rich in potassium, so I'm just going to crack this gently so that I get access to my coconut juice. Yes, you are all invited. So I'm just going ahead to remove the hard shell from the coconut fruit. Please, you have to be careful, okay? Yes, I've removed all the hard shell, and now because I'll be using the coconut milk to make coconut ice cream, so I'm gonna peel off the brown skin of the coconut fruits. If you are making something like coconut oil, there's no need to peel off the brown skin, okay? And also, if you can't use the knife to peel off the brown skin, you can use peeler, okay? But I personally enjoy using the knife. I see it to be easier and also faster to me. But anyway you prefer or you are comfortable with, you can either use the peeler or the knife. Yes, I think I'm done with this part. Yes, I have peeled off all the skin, so now I can go ahead and wash my coconut fruits. Okay, this is actually a requested video. Last I made a video on how to make coconut ice cream, but I never show you guys how to make coconut milk. So a friend of mine requested this video. That is why I am making this video today, okay? And to those who wish to blend their coconut fruits, all you need to do is to dice your coconut fruit into smaller pieces and then blend it, okay? So that you don't end up by damaging your own blender. We don't want that to happen. So something like this is okay, or smaller. I guess something like this is okay. But I'm actually sending mine to a grinding mill, so I'm going to cut mine a little bit bigger, something like this. Yes, this is how I am going to cut mine and then send it to the machine for them to grind it for me. Okay, so I will now cover it up and send it to the machine for them to grind it for me. I'll be back in a few minutes. Voila, I am back, and this is my coconut milk. So we are going to strain this. This is what we call coconut milk. Don't mistake coconut milk for coconut juice, okay? Coconut juice is that water you see inside the fruits. And this is what we call coconut milk. We are making coconut milk, okay? So this is the chaff we had from our first strain. If you are using blender, you can give this a second blend, but I'm not going to blend this. And if you have time, just add water to this and then leave it to rest for at least 10 minutes, okay? Osmosis is going to take place here. So after 10 minutes, you squeeze out the chaff and then strain it. But I really don't have much time, so I can't wait up to that 10 minutes. I'm just going ahead to squeeze out the chaff and then strain it. So I'm giving my milk a final strain and I'm using this cheesecloth. If you have something like this, you can use it. Even if you don't have it and all you have is your strainer, just go ahead and use that one to give your milk a final strain. So this is our coconut milk. Yes, it's time to serve. Somebody may ask, what can I use coconut milk for? It has a lot of uses and I can't say it here. I will leave it in the description box, so please do go and check it up, okay? There's a whole lot of uses of coconut milk. Our milk is served. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. Thank you once again for watching this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.